Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Rob here, Fully Loaded Customs. On today's video, we're gonna start laying down some primer here on the 1983 Z28 Camaro project. We got the fenders, the doors, the hood, a bunch of other stuff here, all prepped, ready to go for this first round of primer. So stay tuned for today's video. At the same time, so I have had in previous videos a ton of comments asking me about where you can get a hoodie, hat, jacket with the logo and stuff on it. So just wanted to quickly show you guys. So I am working on it. And a bunch of different designs here, such as this one here, based on my very first car, my 1983 Z28 Camaro, which I will be making a replica of my high school car here on the channel. So this is just a design I had here too. This is just printed on here as well. That's why you see this. But I'm going to take this back to different places, get it silk screen so all this blends into the background, make that design there really nice. Same with this one here too, based on the 91 Firebird project on the channel here too. Just gives you a rough idea how I want that design to look, but obviously they're going to stretch it over here and silk screen it and get rid of all these little lines here there too. Make that look really nice. And just different ideas I've had for the hats here too, such as the trucker style hat, the honeycomb style hat here too, the flex fit stretchy style hat here too, and other designs. Just want to quickly show you guys that. I read the comments and just want to let you know I am working on it, but for now, let's head back down to the old shop last spring and let's start laying down some primer on the 1983 Z28 Camaro. It's got the fender all welded up there, got the door all welded up, threw on a coat of all metal body filler there. That's sitting there, it's going to dry. It takes a little bit longer, so I'm just going to leave that overnight. And also seam sealed the door there too. I was going to spray it in primer here this evening, but I noticed it's still a little bit tacky, so doesn't hurt to let it dry a little bit longer. So I'll end up doing that tomorrow. But in the meantime, I do have the rear bumper, the underneath the hood, and the underneath of the driver's side fender. I can shoot those in primer there this evening. So let's head on over to the paint table, which is just another word for over there in my shop. And let's mix up some primer and let's start spraying. So the product that we're going to be spraying here this evening is AVR primer. This is a multi-function primer. I also got a really good deal on this here too. I think I only paid $125 Canadian, which is pretty good for the gallon of primer and the hardener kit. So not too bad of a deal at all. This is a multi-function primer pretty much. So you can use this as a high build filler here, shows you your mixing ratio on the back. Same with just a regular surface primer, or if you want to use it wet on wet as a sealer, it's got the mixing ratio for that as well. Same with everything else you need to know on the product here. And like I said before, we are doing a budget build on the Camaro. So for 125 bucks Canadian, this is a really good deal. And it's going to allow us to get some more stuff out of our budget here. So anyways, guys, let's go ahead. Let's mix up the primer, put it in the gun, and let's start laying down the first coats of primer on the 83 Camaro. 83 Camaro first parts here in primer this evening, and man, it's looking good. Man, I can't even tell you how much of a relief it is to see these parts in primer. I've been waiting such a long time to do this car, any car, on this channel. It's been, man. And it feels so good to be able to get back to auto body stuff. And like, I know you guys have been waiting a long time to see the Camaro done. And man, trust me, I've been walking by it every freaking day that I'm here, looking at it being like, man, why am I going to do internet installs? Could be painting the Camaro. Why am I going to do this? Why am I trying to do other work when I could just pick up the car, do the thing that I always wanted to do? Why don't I just do that for a change? See how it goes. And man, I tell you, by the way that I see this right now, it's going to go really great. I guarantee it. So anyways, guys, we got the first parts of the Camaro here, all in primer this evening. Super excited about that. Gonna be back out here tomorrow. We got the fenders, the blue fender there. I gotta drill the holes for it for the Z28 kit, and gonna do that there tomorrow, and sand the metal filler here, get it ready for primer there too. And pretty much the back side of the doors, I'm gonna seam seal the blue one. And those are ready for primer too. A little bit more on the front bumper, and that's gonna be ready for primer here as well. So we'll catch you guys back out here tomorrow. It's just a little after 2 a.m. So maybe if I can get a couple hours of sleep, that'd be good. Wake up, get some coffee, come back out to the shop, and let's get some more parts sitting in primer. Catch you guys back out here tomorrow. So we got the sanding, everything done here on the back side of the doors here now. Got them all seam sealed, set and ready to go. Got the sanding done on the back side of the fenders there. And we flipped the hood over, got the hood all set up and ready to go. So from here, let's head over to the paint table, mix some primer, and let's start spraying. the same thing on the 83 Camaro project. I got the hood, front and back, it's all done. Same with one of the fenders here now too. Just did the back side of the doors here, the seating. Same with the other fender there right there as well. So catch you guys back here in their shop tomorrow. I'm gonna flip the other fender around. I'm gonna continue working on the front bumper, and we're gonna get some more parts sprayed and primer. So we're back out in the shop here the next morning. Doors are sitting in primer, so this afternoon I just flipped those up. Those are pretty much set and ready to go there for primer on the other side of them. I got a little bit of sanding to do here in the center of the hood here. I can spot prime that as well. And then pretty much I'll be able to block sand this, and this will be ready for paint because this thing turned out, it's pretty much straight. I was looking at the reflection there when I clear coated it last night. Other than a little bit of spot, I'm gonna fix up here in the center. It's looking pretty good. So fender's already taken care of. We just flipped it over, and then while Dad's working on the car here, getting the rest of the T-top weather stripping out, I've gone ahead there yesterday and I did some fiberglass work here on the bumper. The bumper was cracked about this part down here. Reinforced this, fiberglass it. This is all nice and solid. I also did the other section over here as well. I don't know if you can see that in the light or not, but that was also cracked there and split. I fiberglassed that section there too. So it's a beautiful day out. We got the doors open up here at the shop. So let's go ahead. Let's flip the doors over inside, sand that spot in the hood, do some body work to the bumper, get the rest of these parts ready for primer. So we got the hood all sanded here this afternoon. I did the sanding on the bumper, the front bumper, the doors here at the back as well, and the fender. Got everything all final sanded down here, set and ready to go for primer. I did find another crack that was in the urethane bumper there for the Camaro, so I had to fix that there as well. That's just drying. So I'm going to put the front bumper aside here for now and let that cure. Then I'll have to come back here probably tomorrow, fix it up, sand it down, and we'll get that in primer tomorrow. But for now, I can spot prime the hood there in the center sections that I sanded, and then pretty much prime up the doors and now the fender. So let's head over to the paint table and let's start mixing some paint. got both sides of the doors here all in primer now. Got the hood in primer here too. Did some spot priming on it, and got the other fender here all sprayed in primer, set and ready to go. Now I don't know what to do because it's only 9 o'clock at night and it's not 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. So it's usually what time I'm out here till spraying and doing stuff. So I don't know what to do now. Maybe we'll go have a fire this evening. Maybe get lucky and the northern lights come out. It'd be great. But anyways, guys, heading down Edmonton there tomorrow to pick up some paint for the car. So we'll catch you guys there tomorrow at the Body Shop Supply Store, checking out some new colors. Well, checking out what colors they got available anyways for the 83 Camaro. All right, cool guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to leave those comments down below in the comment section. If you guys take the time out to leave me comments, I'm gonna make sure I take the time out to reply to you. So, same time, let me know about the merch here, guys. I'll flip the camera around again and show you here there as well. So if you guys have any other ideas here for t-shirt designs, concepts, different style hats, anything like that, please let me know in the comment section down below. I'm gonna be pretty much making shirts and stuff like that, merch based on either cars I've had in the past, like my Camaro, my Trans Am, and cars that are currently on the channel, like the 91 Firebird. Same thing with when we get the Chevelle done, we'll have shirts on that there too. The 83 Camaro, the Scottsdale, the 86 GMC, the 1967 Impala convertible over here as well, plus my 58 and my 64 and some other projects here on the channel there too. So if you guys have any more suggestions or anything like that, please let those, please leave them down in the comments there below as well. Be sure to stay tuned to the channel, guys, for the next video. We're going to start laying out some color here on the 83 Camaro project over there. So until next time, remember, it's not Raglan, it's not custom. Catch you guys in the next video. So take care.